Hello, dear children. Good morning. Children, today I'm going to continue your second lesson, Conservation of Environment. In our previous class, we have learned about environment conservation, reducing pollution like controlling air pollution, right? Till a controlling air pollution we have learned, and in today's class I am going to continue from controlling water pollution. All of you open your textbooks, children. Open lesson 2, conservation of environment. See, this is water treatment plant. This is a water treatment plant. Some measures to control water pollution are listed below. So here are some measurements, some useful measurements to control water pollution. See, treat sewage before releasing it into the main drainage channels. So, before releasing the water into the main drainage channels, you have to clean it first. Reduce the uses of chemical fertilizers in farming. So, in farming, the farmers use many chemical fertilizers. So, they have to reduce the uses of chemical fertilizers while farming. Next one is prevent the use of chemical soaps and detergents in rivers and ponds for washing, bathing or any other purposes. Yes, most of the people, mostly in villages, they take bath in rivers and ponds. So they have to prevent the use of chemical soaps and detergents. Why we use detergents, children? For washing clothes. So they have to reduce the use of chemical soaps and detergents in rivers and ponds for washing, bathing or other purposes. All of you turn your pages to page number 270. Next one. Prevent disposal of waste in rivers and seas. So they have to prevent disposal of waste in rivers and seas, releasing of waste into rivers and seas. Prevent the discharge of industrial effluents into rivers. So industrial waste will be released into rivers. So they have to prevent the discharge of industrial effluents into rivers. Next one is prevent construction in coastal areas and backwaters. So in some places that construction occurred in coastal areas and backwaters, so they have to prevent the constructions in these areas. So this is all about the controlling water pollution. These are the measurements to control water pollution. Next one is controlling soil pollution. Some measures to control land pollution are listed below. So, soil pollution is nothing but land pollution, right, children? So, these are the measurements to prevent land pollution. Prevent the disposal of garbage in the open. So, many of us, we will throw disposals in the open areas. So we have to prevent the disposal of garbage in the open areas. Have separate biodegradable and non-biodegradable bins to dispose garbage. So we have to maintain a separate biodegradable and non-biodegradable dustbins in order to prevent land pollution. Biodegradable substances are the one that can be broken down by bacteria and absorbed by the soil, like vegetables, waste, right? And non-biodegradable substances like plastic do not decompose naturally into the soil. So vegetables and some waste that we use in the house, this comes under biodegradable, and all the plastic substances comes under non biodegradable. Build compost pits to dispose biodegradable garbage. It increases soil fertility in the long run. Set up recycling plants to treat garbage. We have to set up plants recycling in order to reduce this garbage. Set up landfill. What is landfill? Landfill means an area of land where waste material is buried under earth. So, set up recycling plants to treat garbage. Set up landfill sites in the city outskirts. We have to set up landfill sites, an area of land where waste material is buried. We have to set up some landfills outskirts of the city. Dispose biomedical and radioactive waste under proper regulations. So by taking safety precautions, we have to dispose biomedical and radioactive waste. So these are the measurements to control soil or land pollution. So we will continue the remaining part, means conserving biodiversity, in our next class, children. Once go through the today's class. If you have any doubts, you can reach out to me. Bye children. Thank you.